Hey, it's Mike. This is morning market update for April 7th, 2021. And it looks like the markets continue to be flat after having a pretty much flat day yesterday. Actually, a pretty good sign. Let's take a look at the last 5 days of the S&P 500. You see we've had some really nice movement upward. As I said, April tends to be one of the strongest months of the year for equities. We started at, let's look at the S&P ETF here at 394, and we're up at 406. That's pretty much a nice 2.5 to 3% move. Right now, we are flat in the pre-market with the S&P 500. We'll go ahead and take a look at the Nasdaq, and we are also pretty much flat right now after a flat day yesterday. And then finally, the Russell 2000. We are just a little bit lower. The Russell 2000 has been a little weaker compared to the other indexes, but I think this is actually a good sign that we're holding those gains. Maybe just finding some time to rest today before we continue to move upward Thursday and Friday. Go ahead and take a look at gold right now, and gold is down a little bit. That's actually a pretty good sign that there's not like some run to gold right now. It was up yesterday almost 1%, so kind of makes sense that it's giving back a little bit. Take a look at what oil is doing right now with using the USO, and it is down a little bit after being up 1%. Obviously, we're in the strong season right now for oil. It's been sort of in a trading range, but I expect oil to continue to pump upward after it finds a little bit of a base here. We may see a pump upward probably maybe in May. April, like I said, is usually strong for equities, so money may not be going into oil, but maybe after April, after the selling in equities at the end of April, we may see one last surge in oil in May, so that may bring it up higher. And finally, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now at 57,000, almost 57,400. It has moved down a bit. It has had trouble reaching back up over the $60,000 level. The all-time high on Bitcoin is 61 and change. So it looks like it just may be in a range for a while. Don't know what's going to happen. Don't know if it's going to break down big or break up big. You look over the past month, Troy, it just pretty much looks like Bitcoin has not been doing much. But one of the things that I've heard is that maybe that usually the month of March is usually weak for Bitcoin, but March was pretty strong for Bitcoin. But we have tax season moving back. Taxes are due on May 15th instead of April 15th. So we may have people liquidating their positions, in Bitcoin to pay their taxes. So maybe after people pay their taxes in the middle of May, Bitcoin may continue to move upward. So everything's pretty quiet in the market right now. It's actually a good sign. I think, like I said, we may not have much happen in the market right now, but I do feel like we have a bias on the upside. So I will definitely keep you updated as the market continues today. I will have one more update before the market opens and more updates throughout the day. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot.